Okay, wait, okay. So, hello, and I am just, like, collecting, like, these coins, like, why are they floating, and, what am I even doing on top of trains? Yeah, I really don't know. Yeah, wait, how do I climb up that, and how do I jump that high? I don't really actually jump that high in real life. Yeah, what happened? Oh, looks like I don't even know what that means. Well, this game's good thing. And, let's just, like, why do people even need, like, a tea? Well, actually,